Are you tired of slow proxies, captchas every 5 seconds, and scraping tools that drain your budget? Well, today I'm testing something that's built to break limits Thordata. This platform promises 60 million plus residential IPs, coverage in over 195 countries, and a ready to use SERP API that makes scraping search engines feel effortless. But marketing claims are easy. The real question is, can Thordata actually compete with the big players like Bright Data, Smart Proxy, or IP Royal? Let's dive in and find out. If you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description below so you can simply click on it and give it a check. So Thordata isn't just another proxy provider, it's a complete data access and automation suite designed for developers, researchers, and businesses that rely on real-time large-scale data. Their focus is clear: high performance, ethical sourcing, and seamless automation. Here's what makes them stand out: over 60 million ethically sourced IPs, coverage in 195 plus countries, 99.9% uptime across the network, 780 plus integrations for instant setup, and a full SERP API designed for effortless scraping. Whether you're tracking SEO metrics, verifying ads across regions, monitoring e commerce trends, or feeding data to your AI tools, Thordata gives you everything in one ecosystem. Thordata offers a versatile proxy infrastructure giving you four main types of proxies, each designed for a specific purpose. First, we have is residential proxies. These come from real household devices, giving you real human-like traffic, ideal for SEO tracking, ad verification, price intelligence, and market research. You'll appear as a genuine user, not a bot. Then we have a static ISP proxies. These are stable IPs directly assigned by internet service providers. You get the speed of data center proxies but with the authenticity of residential ones, perfect for account management and long running sessions. And then we have is data center proxies. If your main priority is raw speed, these are your go to. Hosted in premium data centers, they offer low latency and ultra fast connections, best for automation testing, sneaker bots, or scraping at a scale. And then finally, we have is mobile proxies. They are powered by real 4G and 5G connections. These proxies give you top tier trust ratings. They're a lifesaver for social media automation, ad verification, and original content testing. And well, performance is key. A slow proxy is a useless proxy. So I ran multiple speed tests on Thordata's residential proxies, and here's what I got. The average download speed is 17.89 Mbps, upload speed is 10.70 Mbps, ping is between 594 and 1240 milliseconds. Now, a ping that high isn't ideal for gaming or real-time applications, but for data collection, crawling, and scraping, it's perfectly acceptable. What really stood out was consistency. Even after multiple region switches from Canada to Germany to Singapore, Thordata maintains stable speeds and no connection drops. Plus, switching between nodes is almost instant. You can hop from one region to another with zero downtime, making it incredibly efficient for automated workflows. When I compared it directly with Smart Proxy and IP Royal, Thordata's residential IPs showed lower latency and smoother long scraping runs, meaning fewer failed requests and faster data turnaround. Now, here's where things get exciting. Thordata's SERP API. If you've ever tried scraping Google results manually, you know the pain. CAPTCHAs, IP bans, and broken proxies. Thordata solves all that in one line of code. Their SERP API lets you directly pull Google, Bing, or Yahoo results. No need to worry about rotation, headers, or delays. Everything happens automatically under the hood. So the results come in clean, structured JSON format, perfect for analysis or feeding into AI pipelines. The best part is you can scale it endlessly without worrying about bans or blocks. There are no IP bans, no captchas, accurate geo results, reliable data at scale. This is what makes Thordata's API a real game changer for developers, marketers, and researchers. So now the question is, how does Thordata stack up against the competition? Let's break it down. Bright Data gives you enterprise grade infrastructure, sure, but Thordata matches that reliability and bandwidth performance at up to 40% lower cost, making it the smarter pick for both startups and scaling teams. Plus, with Thordata, you get simpler setup and transparent pricing, no hidden usage fees. And then we have a smart proxy, which is often praised for its beginner friendly interface. But when it comes to serious scaling, Thordata takes the lead. It offers a broader range of IPs, global coverage across more countries, and the ability to handle larger scraping or automation workloads without connection drops. Then there is IP Royal, dependable, yes, but it lacks the integrated API flexibility that Thordata provides right out of the box. With Thordata's unified API, developers can switch between residential, mobile, and data center proxies with just a few lines of code. In short, Thordata hits that sweet spot, enterprise grade power at startup friendly pricing, reliable, scalable, cost efficient. So that's what makes Thordata stand out. And now let's walk through how you actually use Thordata. So click the link given in the description below to get an access to the website of Thordata.io. Then you gotta log into your dashboard and choose your proxy type, residential, ISP, or mobile. Then you gotta select your target country and preferred rotation mode, rotating or sticky sessions. Copy your proxy credentials and paste them into your tool browser or script. And that's it. Within seconds, you're browsing or scraping from any region you choose. You can also integrate the Serve API directly into your application and automate the entire data retrieval process. No coding headaches, no manual setup. So Thor data isn't limited to developers, its applications stretch across industries. E-commerce track global pricing, inventory, and competitor activity. SEO monitoring get live keyword rankings and SERP snapshots. Ad verification ensure your ads display correctly in different markets. AI training feed large structured data sets into your machine learning pipelines. With unlimited bandwidth, smart rotation, and global coverage, Thor data makes scalable data access both powerful and affordable. So, after testing Thor data's speed, reliability, and scraping power, here's my final take. It really does deliver everything it promises: fast and consistent proxy performance, no random slowdowns or drops even under heavy loads, built in SERP API that eliminates bans, blocks, and those annoying captchas, transparent, predictable pricing, you always know exactly what you are paying for, and an all in one dashboard that's genuinely easy to navigate even if you're not a tech expert. If you're tired of juggling multiple proxy providers, switching dashboards, or getting banned mid project, Thordata is the upgrade you've been waiting for. It's designed for both individual developers and full scale businesses, fast enough for data scraping, reliable enough for automation, and flexible enough for any workflow. So go ahead, test it, push it, and see how much faster your scraping or automation can really get. Once again, if you want to try this tool out, I have included the link in the description below. So simply click on it and give this tool a check. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.